completely disagree with you on that. The reason that we have no accommodation for people who need accommodation in this country is because of our disastrous manner in which we dealt with all this situation from day one. As I said to you, we have flooded all the accommodation we have with people who may not be requiring that accommodation, to be very honest about it.
Sorry, Councillor. We're talking about individuals here, many of whom are fleeing desperate situations, and to describe them as flooding the country is really feeding a lot of that fear, isn't it?
No, it's not, because, Brian, I've already